Are you guys ready to rock? I got all my Indian guys in front here. Mr. Lavish. So, let's show these people in Guangzhou in Kama how to rock. Are you ready? Are you ready? Hey, sexy lady, I like your flow. Your body's big, out of control. She put it on me, ceiling to floor. Only you can make me.
Her body's scrolling, boiling, got me crawling up the wall. And my size is small, it's tall. I catch a glimpse of clothes me falling. My neighbors calling, bawling. All this noise is so appalling. They must be what's that?
I was a proud shoe, rock on the knees. She's looking over me, watching right out. And I know all along, she was the perfect one. She had me singing this song. Everybody shout, hey sexy lady, where you at? Easy. Hey, sexy lady, you will find you drive me crazy. You're going on and on and on. That's right, yeah. Hey, sexy lady, you are so fine. You drive me crazy. You're going on and on. Hey, Filipino, that bombs. You're extra sexy like whoa. You make me want to say hi. Shake it, shake it, I'm in love. What? I like Easy, wait for you. Easy. Check this out. Who got the mad bull fever? Who got the mad bull fever? Who got the mad bull fever? Everybody come to party in Tama. Who got the mad bull fever? Who got the mad bull fever? You know what I mean? Everybody happy Halloween. Let's go sexy. Sexy lady. Come on. Check it out. Freestyle now. Freestyle. Keep it like that, yo. Tonight I'm feeling real good. I'm feeling like a champion. All my brothers come down from Jordan. We got Mr. Akman from Afghanistan. So he looking up jet and he looking like he's fun. We got sexy ladies in front to dance all. And everybody say that they looking sexy and tall. What is this, man? Listen. We got me Indian boys and they like cricket. They like to bowl and go up them wickets. Well, I got my guys come from Pakistan. I'm a West Indian. I come from the West Indies. You got Brian Lara, Shanda Paul and the one Tanuka. Everybody seeing at the place with the Indian boys. You know we love you 1, 2, 3, well. In the dance hall, we stand tall and everybody sing. Not falling down, please. Where's my people here from India? Are you ready? Make a way! Check this out. Check this out. on, let's go. Come on, come on. Are you ready to rock, ladies and gentlemen? Let's go. On guitar, ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Indonesia. 1, 2, 3, let's go. This is the song for the broken hearted, the silent prayer for the faith departed. I ain't gonna be another face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life, it's not
It's